Travel photography is a captivating aspect of travel writing that allows you to visually showcase and document your experiences. Here are some key points to cover. 1. Importance of visual storytelling. Explain how travel photography can enhance the storytelling aspect of travel writing by capturing the essence, emotions, and unique moments of a destination. 2. Essential gear. Discuss the must-have equipment for travel photography, including cameras, lenses, tripods, and accessories. Provide insights on choosing the right gear based on the type of travel and personal preferences. 3. Composition techniques. Share various composition techniques that can elevate travel photos, such as the rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, and framing. Explain how these techniques can guide the viewer's eye and create visually appealing images. 4. Lighting tips. Explore the importance of lighting in travel photography and offer tips on utilizing natural light effectively. Discuss golden hour photography, managing harsh sunlight, and using shadows creatively. 5. Capturing local culture. Encourage travel photographers to focus not only on landscapes and landmarks, but also on capturing the local culture, traditions, and people. Showcase the diversity and vibrancy of different destinations through portraits, street photography, and cultural events. 6. Editing and post-processing. Briefly touch upon the editing process and popular photo editing software. Discuss basic techniques for enhancing colors, adjusting exposure, cropping, and maintaining the authenticity of the image. 7. Online platforms and social media. Introduce popular online platforms and social media channels where travel photographers can showcase their work, gain exposure, and connect with a wider audience. 8. Tips for travel photographers. Provide practical advice such as being prepared, carrying backup batteries and memory cards, respecting local customs and privacy, and being mindful of photography restrictions. By incorporating travel photography into your travel writing, you can create a more immersive and visually engaging experience for your readers. Happy clicking!